Is science a blessing or a curse? Essay in English. Science is the knowledge about the structure and behavior of the natural and physical world. Modern age is the age of science. The application of science can be seen in every walk of life. Today, man thinks in terms of science. Progress of science is a striking feature of new age. Science has brought revolution in every section of human society. The knowledge of science can be applied for the welfare of mankind or for the destruction of humanity. Here we discuss the comforts and utility of science and its disadvantages. Science has comforted us in numerous ways. At home and at any other place, its blessings are unlimited and uncountable. At home, its utility is seen everywhere, in kitchen, bedroom, drawing room, lounge and bathroom. Technical appliances have made life easy and more enjoyable. Refrigerator, oven, grinder, shaker, chopper, toaster and many other things have completely changed the lifestyle of a housewife. Revolution in transportation and communication facilities has rendered the world a global village. Intercontinental journey has become a matter of hours. Exchange of information requires only a click. A variety of modern gadgets has made our life unbelievably convenient. Development in healthcare has increased life expectancy across the world. The list of scientific inventions is long. It seems needless to mention hundreds of things which we use as common objects of our everyday life. Apart from the constructive use of science, man has also used it for destructive purposes. Blessings used unwisely may harm beyond repair and become a curse. With the help of science, man has developed highly destructive weapons like atom bombs and hydrogen bombs which can destroy the whole life on the earth. Degradation of environment, overconsumption of natural resources and poisonous gases are serious threats to our life today. In fact, science is a knowledge which deals with the ultimate truth of things. It explores the causes and effects of happenings. It formulates rules and invents remedies. In its essence, it is neither good nor bad. In fact, it's the intention behind it that can be called good or bad. Atomic energy throughout the world can also be used for generating cheapest energy. Electricity can be produced by it. Science can be used to develop eco-friendly technologies. All the scientists use the same scientific knowledge for their planned objectives. Generally, governments keep the scientists busy in defensive mechanisms. It is the responsibility of governments that they should develop a coordinated approach to use the supreme scientific knowledge for the betterment of mankind. They should make agreements to ban the use of science for destruction of living beings. Only then we can ensure and assert that science is a blessing in every sense of the word. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.